Tell us a little bit about Duke Energy Renewables and your role there.
Okay, so Duke Energy is a very large utility, the largest in the U.S., and a piece of that business is the renewables business. And so that is a key piece of our business. And to be competitive in the energy sector, you need that piece of the portfolio to perform. And my job as a director of operational excellence is to help those assets perform at the highest level of uptime and provide the highest level of generation that we possibly can. So the energy business is a very competitive landscape, and when you have renewable assets in your portfolio, you have to have them generate at the highest level possible, which means the highest level uptime. And in order to do that, you have to be able to capture the asset's health. And the way we do that is with data capture. And so it's very challenging in this environment that we live in today to capture the right data because there's so much data that comes in. And so that's one of our biggest challenges. And in order to perform for our company, we have to make sure that we put all of those types of things in the right bucket to produce the right output.
Can you talk about a little bit about the challenges you are facing or maybe the issues in achieving that higher uptime with data capture?
Yes. So we have multiple systems. We have our Pi Historian. We have a smart signal application. We have SCADA data. We have data that we have to bring in from our financial portals, and all of this has to be meaningful.
Perhaps relate IoT with what you're doing?
Yeah, so IoT, just the I itself is really what this platform is all about. Bringing smart technology to your asset. And so, like I said previously, we went out to the market to try to find someone that could help us do that, a company like Genpact. So what we said is, hey, Genpact, come in, look at what we have, look at all the data that we have, look at all the systems that we have feeding our assets, and help us decipher it to a meaningful level. Give us the iTurbine or the iWind, the things that are catchy but meaningful in today's platform.
The business benefits, how did that help you achieve better operational excellence, which is the role that you have?
So every company has metrics, and you have to achieve those metrics a certain way. Those that can do it quickly, efficiently, and economically sound, sustain. And that was our goal, was to be able to do that. So there's some key phrases in the industry today: advanced analytics, prognostics. So we wanted to capitalize on that, and that's where Genpact came into the fold to help us put that together. And the term that they use is stitch it all together. So we like that term. We're going to coin that phrase even though they came up with it. So what we felt Genpact had the specialty of is taking data from all these various sources, pulling it together and making it meaningful. But what does meaningful mean to us at Duke Energy? What we really want to know is, what is the potential failure that we could be looking at? What is the maximum uptime that we can achieve? So what they helped us do is realize that there is a failure curve at a component level. And then we could apply that to the fleet level. If you can take all of your data and look at it on a fleet level, you can really plan what needs to happen, especially with your maintenance costs, with your critical spares, all the things that encompass work management and producing megawatts to go out to the grid. In a big utility, the largest again in the US, when we look at that type of asset, we want to know what is the maximum uptime we can have, because what does that relate to? Bottom line. So we have to produce for our shareholders.